if you've entered into a sales contract for a piece of real property, especially a residence, and you find a problem with the residence or the structure or the land prior to closing, and you've asked for those repairs to be made pursuant to the terms of your sales contract, but the seller will not comply, really your options are going to be limited to what is allowed by the contract terms. Most standard contracts are going to have some dispute resolution located right within the terms of the written contract. Most of the time here in Central Iowa, you will find that there's a mediation clause which is designed to alternatively resolve the dispute rather than going to court. But one thing you need to keep in mind that normally specific performance of contracts is a very difficult thing for a court to order. It's not something that's done every day. You can only get money damages. So your best bet is to be going back to the contract itself, follow the dispute resolutions that are in the contract, and try to come to some sort of compromise resolution with the seller. I know it can be a frustrating process, especially if it comes up late in the closing 30-day or 60-day window after your inspections are done, but your best bet is to try to negotiate with the seller and get to a place where everybody can be copacetic, because frankly, if you go back after the fact, all you can get is money damages, and that could be a long drawn-out affair as well. And recall, there's always going to be earnest money at stake as well. So whatever earnest money you put in is likely going to be held by a third-party escrow agent, and that will be part of the negotiations that go on throughout that process. And more than anything, you should consult an attorney the moment that dispute arises, if not earlier in the process, so you know what your rights are and how to properly preserve your legal rights in the situation.